Good evening. Reporting from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, where the 47th ASEAN Summit of 2025 has officially come to a close. Over the past 3 days, ASEAN leaders convened for a series of significant summits, including the 26th ASEAN Republic of Korea Summit, the 28th ASEAN Plus 3 Summit, and the ASEAN United States Summit, all reinforcing cooperation in economic growth, regional security, and sustainable development. A key highlight was the signing of landmark agreements, including memorandums of understanding with Timor-Leste, further solidifying its integration into ASEAN. And in a historic moment, Timor-Leste was officially welcomed as the 11th member of ASEAN, marking the fulfillment of a long-held national aspiration and a proud milestone for the region. As the summit concluded, Malaysia handed over the ASEAN chairmanship for 2026 to the Philippines, which will lead under the theme Navigating Our Future Together. For Timor-Leste, this is more than a membership. It's a symbol of perseverance, unity, and hope. And for ASEAN, it is a reminder that together, through solidarity and vision, we continue to rise stronger as one community and one future. From Kuala Lumpur, I'm Digna Serang with Anita Suarez reporting on the closing of the 47th ASEAN Summit.